We are now into CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. Don't worry, we're going to do it nice and easy, nice and slow, okay? Notice on the left-hand side here, I have already done it for you. CSS Basics, Quick Tip, Selecting by Tag Name, Challenge, Colorful Creature, okay? Um, what's going to happen is these all are 3 separate assignments, but only the challenge will be put on Google Classroom. CSS Basics will be 10 points. Quick Tip Selecting by Tag Name will be 10 points because you just have to look, watch, and read. And a challenge, Colorful Creature, that I'm going to give you probably a day or two to go through that. I'm going to go quickly over all of them. Well, the first 2 I'm going to go quickly over. And then the challenge, I'm going to go over and show you how to do it. You can copy me a little bit, but then change it to your own. And then what you're going to have to do is save the spin-off and then do a screenshot and place the screenshot in the Google Classroom assignment Google Doc. That's how you get your 30 points for the challenge, okay? So CSS Basics, it just tells you how the new style sheets, the cascading style sheets, CSS, cascading style sheets, how they work. And I've already gone through it, so I can go and slide it around. But if you look right here, it tells you to use it if you go forward, and I would go back and forth. When you do the challenge colorful creature, I would go back and forth to this one right here. You can do that without losing your work, so long as you don't log off. So as you see the cursor right there, all of a sudden you have something like that. Okay? Notice when you do styles, you're going to use the same tags as the HTML, but without the tags. You won't use the tags. Tags down. Tags down. Uh, and when you do that, if you look right here where I have the cursor, you have a style tag and then a slash style tag all right here. Everything in between tells what the rest of the page is going to be looking like. Because look at this. The H2, all about basic info, is right down here, right? But it's H2. But if you have this in between the style tags, you put H2 without the tags, tags down for styles. And it will then automatically go to where the H2 is and change it. Notice it's changed to green right here. All right. But then you can do more stuff, and the video will tell you that. How to change. Now, I can't do grassy green or fuchsia, but it can do beige, it can do red, it can do purple, it can do yellow, it can do peach. I've tried peach, and it works. But then you can do something different. And take a look right there. You have RGB parentheses right here. Okay? RGB parentheses right here. And then you will have a color picker. And you can pick any color that you want. Now, RGB stands for red, green, blue. And the video will tell you that. So you're getting it twice. One's from me, one's from Con. This is just all an introduction, so don't freak out. And when you pick the color, you see it changes right here. And it shows you the red, green, blue mixture. It mixes it and makes that color. You can pick any color you want. I mean, seriously, it's really easy. Look, I pick red, pink, boom. It's there. See? Look at that. It changed just like that. Now, you can do that for all. You can do that for the head, for the body. You could do for the paragraph, too. You just make sure that the tags go down. You don't need the tags, and it has to be inside the style tag. See the style tag here and the style tag here. Everything goes in here to change your style. Watch. Body, color. Okay? The body is the whole page. So they're looking for background color. Watch what happens when they just put a color in there. And using the RGB parentheses, you could put green down, doesn't matter. Boom. See what happened? It turned to blue. And you can pick any color you want. Again, you could just have this right here and put in beige. They spelled beige wrong. See, it turned to beige. I can put in red. Turns to red. Very simple. But in this case, red, green, blue, parentheses, I pick a color. And let me go see here. Sliding it down. Yeah, I want this color. There we go. All right. And once you do that, it'll show you right here that you're done with it. And click the spin off and save it. You don't have to give me proof for that. Once you finish all the reading, you're good enough for that. Then the next thing you do, you go to quick tip selecting by tag name. At first glance, it seems a little complicated, but it really isn't because I just explained everything to you. It's not that hard once you get the thing that style and slash style, so beginning tag, end tag, then everything else that had tags inside the style and slash style tags down. You get rid of it. All right. Then you can use the P for paragraph. You could have the emphasis into a different color, make that a different style. You can do all sorts of stuff. All right, but in this case, you're going to do the head, the body, the paragraph, and that's about it. All right. So you read this, and then you pick there's a question here on which is the right way would make sense with all these rules. All right. And it will ask you, and it will change it around, okay? The answers around. So I'm not going to pick it for you. Once you pick an answer, after you've studied this, read this, studied this, pick an answer, you check it. And if it's wrong, well, you guess another one and see why you were right or wrong. Once you're done with that, Con will tell me you got that done. And then you go to the picture challenge for the colorful creature challenge, I mean. All right. Just read the directions. Now, the creature is not going to be the best thing in the world. All right. Because you're going to use the image tags. Okay. The image tags, SRC equals. And you'll have to use what Con gives you. Con is not the best. It just gives you clip art. So just pick a cool clip art. All right. And it says, let's have you make a web page about an awesome animal and color the web page to look at. For this first step, because there's 5 steps here, use the image picker to add an image to the page that shows the animal. How do you do that? Well, it shows you right here. Okay. So I'm going to do that. Should I do it above or below the coolest creature? I'm going to do it below the coolest creature. Giving myself some room. Open tag, IMG, space SRC equals, whoopsie, equals, I put hash marks. It says enter an image URL. You got to pick their file. It has nothing else. Pick their file, okay? I like the flying one. I mean, you can pick anything here. I mean, there's a whole bunch of stuff. You pick one and have fun with it, okay? Pick one and have fun with it. You're going to write 2 or 3 sentences about it. It's no big deal. Okay? Where's my flying one? I like my flying one. Ah, the ultimate little Aqualine ultimate flying dinosaur. I love it. Okay, look at it. Doesn't end with a tag. Ooh, I didn't end with the tag. You see that? I have the whole thing in here, but I didn't close the tag up. Uh-oh. Close the tag. There's Aqualine. My Aqualine is here. All right. Can you use strong and EM tags to describe the creature, animal, and why it's so handsome? All right. Now, this is awesome because, and they have everything in here. All right. They put it out for you. this paragraph. So I'll say, and nobody use my Aqualine. I'm the only one who can use the Aqualine, okay? So inside the emphasis tag, the amazing Aqualine is awesome because, let's make it a she. Yeah, let's make it a she. Because she can fly. And then in the strong, let's look at the tags here, open and close tags, fly strong and fast. And make a few other sentences if you want. Notice the amazing Aqualine is in italics. Strong and flat, bolded. Done. And see, it tells me, nice work. On to the next step. Going to the next step. I'm now on step 2. Now we want to use the cascading style sheet, CSS, but there's no style tag in this image. Add one inside the head just below your title tag. Okay, so here's the head. Let's go below the title tag here. And we're going to put these tags in. It tells you, okay? All right. So I'm going to do the opening tag. This we have to use tags yet, okay? I didn't click inside of it. There we go. Style, close tag. Notice it gave me a slash style tag, an ending tag, okay? Give myself a little bit of room because everything I do now in between here will be applied down here and show up here on the right-hand side. Okay, so I did that. Step 2 is done. Way to go, you can do it. Next step, directions. Now add a style rule to change the background of the whole page inspired by the creature's colors. Remember, it's background color, okay? So I'm going to do the body because this is going to be the whole body now, all right? The body is the entire thing. So remember, now that we're in between the style tags, style and slash style tags, tags go down. But we'll refer to the body now. I'm going to put body here and open squiggly parentheses. All right. And I will put background slash color. Dash, I meant. Parentheses. And I will say pink. Ta-da! Do you see what happened on the right-hand side? And you can pick any color you want. If you want something else, put the color name down or put RGB parentheses and use your color picker. Simple as pie, all right? But I want my pink one back. I like my pink. So I'm putting pink back. There we go. I love it. And it says making progress. Next step. Next step says now add a CSS rule to change the color of the paragraph inspired by the creature's colors. All right. So I'm going to want some sort of an aqua thing. And I'm going to want it, what does it say again? Change the color of the paragraph. So I'm going to change this paragraph. You're going to make 2 or 3 sentences. I'm giving you one. All right, so there's going to be a whole new style within the style tags, okay? And we see down here, the paragraph has tag P and slash tag P, okay? Slash P tag, I mean. All right, so when I'm in the style tags, tags go down. So I'm going to just put P and a squiggly bracket. And I'm going to make a color because it's gonna change the color of the letters on the right-hand side. And I'm going to make it aqua and see what happens. Color, colon, aqua. Ooh, it turned it aqua, but I can't read crap. That's not good. How about just blue? That's better. What if I want a darker blue? Red, green, blue, RGB. parentheses, take the color picker, scroll down all the way to blue ones right there. I want this one. That's close enough for cigars. It's close enough for a grand prize of a nice blue letters here. Excellent. And it says, brilliant, keep it up. Next step. I go to the next step. Then it says, finally add our CSS cascading style sheets rule to change the color of the heading. That's this right here, is the heading, okay? So where it says the coolest creature, inspired by the creature's colors. Okay, so let's see, where is that, the coolest creature? There it is. And what are the tags there? Tags H1 and tags /H1. So I'm only going to use H1 inside the style tags. I start a new line. H1. Ta-da. Squiggly bracket, left bracket. Enter. Now I can put any color I want. Now I know I'm going to always want my picker. So I'm going to do color, colon, RGB. Or you know what? Maybe I just want something else. Make that blue too. I could do that. See how it changed up the coolest color on top? The coolest creature on top right there? But I could put RGB and parentheses. There we go. You make it a different kind of blue. Will this work? Oh, yeah, it worked, but I can't see it. Darker? I don't like that. Dark? No, no, no. Let's go up to a higher blue. Oh, that's close enough. Do I want it darker? I don't like that. Now let's go to a higher blue. Yeah, that's good enough. I like that. All right. And then it says, congratulations, you earned 1,500 points. Spin-off. Click the spin-off. Save it. You can make any other changes you want here with that and the paragraph. Remember, I want 2 or 3 sentences describing, or maybe 5 sentences, describing your coolest creature. Okay? I'm going to give you at least 2 days for this, maybe 2.5 days. Spin off, save, and then you take a screenshot. It is PRTSC or print screen on the upper right hand side of a Windows keyboard. It is Command 3 or Command Shift 3 on an Apple keyboard. And for the Chromebook, it's Shift All Windows, I believe. I believe it's Shift All Windows, which is above the number 6. All right. And then you paste that screenshot inside the Google Classroom, Google Doc in the assignment. Hit turn in, you get your 30 points. I know this was a long video, but watch the other videos now. This should have helped you. And you can always ask me questions. Just text me in the chat box or email me or just talk with me. I'll be glad to help you. And if you want, I can put several of you together if you want, 2 or 3 together for you to work on your sheets together. Okay? Should be fun. I could do that. So we can group. All right, get to work, guys.